Hey y'all, Victoria here, and today I have my February 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus that I'm going to be unboxing today. And if you're not familiar, Ipsy is a monthly beauty subscription service. They have three different subscriptions that they offer. They have the regular Glam Bag, which is $12 a month, which I also have, I just haven't gotten it yet. And then they have the Glam Bag Plus, which is $25 a month, and you are meant to get 5 full-size or deluxe size beauty products with at least, I think it's $120 value, but I would need to go back and check because I'm unprepared and unprofessional and I don't really know. So, but anyway, this is my first Glam Bag Plus. I'm pretty excited. I did sign up for it, but I signed up for it late, so I guess I signed up too late to get a January one. So this is my inaugural Glam Bag Plus. So let's get into it. So when you open the box, this is what it looks like. It says discover yourself. And you do also get to choose one item that's going to be in your bag or box, no matter if you have the Glam Bag, just the regular Glam Bag or the Glam Bag Plus. They let you choose from like 4 or 5 different things, and then whatever you choose, you're guaranteed to have. The rest is all going to be picked for you. And they do include, this is not what I'm looking for. What is this? Will you be our Valentine? So they did include this card. This is not the card that I was looking for, but it's saying save the date 2/24 when a V-Day gift. I guess you can enter a chance to win something, so I'll look at that later. But you're meant to get an information card, and I don't see it. Hello? Are you kidding? Are they for real? All right, so we did not get an information card in this box unless I'm missing it. Maybe I'll find it at the end, I don't know. But I guess I'm just gonna start opening stuff. This is so weird. Okay, well first I'll start with the bag. Is it in here? No, it's not in here either. Okay, well this is the bag. It is this, it's honestly, I did see this on the app and it's not as pink as I thought it was going to be. It's actually more of like a pink purple and it's shimmery, and then the zipper is a plum color. The inside is that same plum color and it has the Ipsy logo. So this is cute. I was a little like, because I'm not really a pink person, but I do actually really like this and it's a decent size. So that's cool. And then I'm going to start with the item that I picked out for myself, and it is the LaRousse. I don't have a legit description of it, unfortunately, because they didn't give us an information card. Can you tell I'm salty about that? But this is, I'm assuming that this is what I picked out because it looks like the only brush thing that a brush set could be held in, but this is what it looks like. It is kind of fancy packaging, and this is just like a paper material and it's perforated, so I'm going to try and not open it like an animal. And that didn't happen, so maybe should I have just tried, I don't know. The perforation did not work out for me. But this is the brush set. It is a 5-piece brush set, and I will take out a couple of them. And this is a flat foundation brush. It's a decent size. And the bristles, I'm pretty sure they're synthetic because I think they only do, yeah, vegan and cruelty-free, synthetic, hypoallergenic. They're very soft, so that's exciting. I wasn't very excited about the things that they had as options for the choice item, to be honest, so that's why I ended up choosing the brush set. But I personally feel like I can never have too many makeup brushes, and maybe that's because I'm lazy and I'm like, the more I have, the less often I have to actually wash my brushes because I'll just pick up another one. But maybe that's just me. And this is a kabuki brush. That's interesting. It's a mini kabuki brush. Also, we have the same setup that I had last time, but I feel like the lighting is much worse, so bear with me. I think it's because it's cloudier outside. I don't know. Then we have a shadow brush, which I always like that. And excuse my nails, all of my nail polish, I usually do my own nails, and all my nail polish is packed currently. That's not working out to go back in the plastic. And then we have a tapered blending brush. That's what the top looks like. And I don't know if you've been able to tell, but the handle is black, and then the metal part is kind of like a dark gray silver. And this is the angled contour brush. All right, so that was our first item, and it was the 5-piece brush set from LaRousse, and I don't know how much it is because they didn't give us a card. Next item is Dominique Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. Okay, this is what the packaging looks like. Oh, that's cute. It's like a cable knit sweater type of packaging, very wintry, and it's kind of textured. It's very winter themed. This is what these shadows look like. Let's see, and it looks like we have 6 eyeshadows. Let me see if I can do swatches real quick. Is this gonna work out? We're gonna find out. Actually, I'm just gonna do them on my fingers because, okay. All right, so first we have Messy Bun, and then Chill, Cuddle. Let me see that. Let me try and move this. Hello, Cuddle. I'm so professional. Sweater Weather. And did I do that right? Cuddle. No, I fucked that up. Okay. We have Messy Bun, Chill, Cuddle. I'm trying. Can anyone not? Is this normal to not be able to just raise this finger? We have Cuddle and Toasty, and then Fuzzy and Sweater Weather. So these are very cute, very wintry. They all swatched pretty well for the most part, and I didn't really like dig into the pans either. Like I just kind of brushed across them, and they seem pretty pigmented. So I'm excited to use this. And I told myself that I am not going to go out and buy more eyeshadow palettes because I feel like I have a lot and there's no way, and I forget about them, so then they end up not getting used for years. But if I happen to get some, then that's not my fault, right? Next I have the Il Makiage ink eyeliner, made in Germany, in the color black. This is what the box looks like if you're curious. And I'm guessing, yeah, just a regular felt tip liquid eyeliner, which is good for me. I know a lot of people who get subscription boxes complain about always getting eyeliner, but I use liquid eyeliner like every day, so I could always use more. I'm not upset about that. I'm very excited. Next I have Dr. Botanicals. Is it P.O. or Po? I don't know. Pomegranate Superfood Regenerating Sleeping Mask. Ooh, I like sleeping masks. I like sleeping masks because like I said, I'm lazy and I buy all these like face masks and then I'm like, that seems so much work. But sleeping mask, I can get behind. This is what it looks like. I don't know if this is a full size or a deluxe sample size, but it's a pretty, I mean, I think you'll get some uses out of it. It does smell like pomegranate, and I don't want to open it, but if you, never mind, we're trying it because it's happening already. I'm just gonna rub it in with the palm of my hand because my fingertips have eyeshadow on them. Can y'all see my dog in the background? And it does smell like pomegranate. All right, we'll see. So that was the Dr. Botanicals Pomegranate Superfood Regenerating Sleep Mask with an accidental try-on. And the last item that I have is the Belle en Argent. Is there like an English side? No? Okay. What is this? It says 3 plays. Shade 206. Oh, lip color. Okay. Okay. The packaging. Belle en Argent. Blah, blah, blah. Where's the lip color? There it says lip color in the shade 3 plays. Hello. Are we not gonna? We're not focusing. Okay. Never mind. Excuse my hair. It looks kind of flat. Oh my god. Am I? Okay. Ooh, this is some beefy packaging. Has a bee on the top. Oh, that's cute. Okay, so it's a lipstick. Look at the little, what would you call that? Where the lipstick comes out, lipstick comes out of. It has little stars on it. That's cute. And this is what the shade looks like. I don't know. Okay, that's pretty. It looks a lot darker in the tube than it appears on. It's kind of like a dusty rose, but not very, I don't know, dramatic, I guess. Maybe I can try. Okay. I don't know if you can even, did it make a difference? I don't know. Yeah, I guess there's, I mean, my lips look pink instead of like a sick Victorian child, so that's cool. Trying to, maybe I can get like, okay, here you get a little bit. I should have done my video in this lighting. This is way better. But yeah, this is the lip color, and that was the Belle en Argent lip color lipstick in the, I'm guessing the shade is called 3 plays. It says 3 plays and then it says 206. So maybe, but I like it. Like I said, it looks a lot darker in the tube, but it's a lot more neutral on the lip, at least my lip. So yeah. So now that we know that we've been using the wrong lighting this whole video, we can end this. And yeah, there is no information card. So same time next month. I don't know. Are you gonna come with an information card next month? That was everything in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I cannot give a price value on the box because I mean, I guess I could not be lazy and look at the prices, and maybe I will do that, and I will put that in either in the description box below, or I will come on here post filming and give those values to y'all. Alright y'all, so Victoria from the future here, and I went ahead and looked up the MSRPs of the items that I received in my box. So the Dr. Botanical Sleep Mask is $12. The Belle en Argent lip color was $26. The LaRousse brush set is $154. Absolutely not. No ma'am. The Sweater Weather eyeshadow palette is $29. Sorry, I'm still shook from the brush set. And lastly, the El Maquillage eyeliner is $21. And when I add those together, I got a retail value of $242. And Ipsy says that every Glam Bag Plus box will have at least $120. So we've actually doubled that and then some, so that is pretty good, even though I think that the brush set price is hella inflated. But either way, it's all products that I'm excited for and will definitely use, so I call that a win. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you are interested in seeing more unboxings or unbaggings, feel free to hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram, and I will see y'all in the next video.